Hello, welcome to section 5. In section 5, we are going to make our chatbots attentive. We are going to understand attention mechanisms. Attention. Text is temporal. Sometimes text is very long. Your model gets lost in translation. Due to this, we need to use attention. Attention is here to combat that. In the vanilla sequence-to-sequence models, we pass the last source state from the encoder to the decoder when starting the decoding process. Because of this, long sentences cause the encoder to encode the last few tokens only and lose information about the first few tokens. Attention. The way attention works is by summarizing the hidden states of the encoder. However, it does not do that by means of averaging or any other method. The way it works instead, it relies on a neural network. This neural network determines the weights of the past states regarding the current decoding step. This works as a filter to only keep relevant information from the encoder's hidden state, making the decoder resilient to confusion. Attention can be thought of as an alignment technique, in which the neural network is trying to align the English translation with the French translation. Once it reaches better alignments, tries to give the model more relevant information instead of giving it the whole previous history or the last hidden state, giving it a context vector that is more relevant and can help the model infer the next token.